Today is my third video of the channel Processor Architecture Design. Last class, I dealt with the installation of ModelSim software for testing and verifying Verilog codes. Today, I'm going to detail the installation of Xilinx ISC Webpack for the same purpose of testing and verifying Verilog code, and also to translate the Verilog code into a hardware circuit. So the main purpose of Xilinx ISC is, if you buy an FPGA board, you can load the program into the FPGA and make it function accordingly. So with this basic introduction, let me proceed with the video. First, for this, you need to go to Google Chrome, type Xilinx ISC Webpack. So it will be navigating to the page Xilinx ISC Webpack Design Software. Kindly click on this. Next, click on the link Download ISC Webpack now. It will be navigating to the page of products under the name Xilinx ISC Webpack Design Software. Now, click on the link Download ISC Webpack software for Windows and Linux. Here, we will be installing the Xilinx version 14.7. So this page lists out the various versions of the Xilinx ISC Studio available for your purpose. So we are going to go with Xilinx ISC 14.7. Kindly click on it. Here you will be having multiple options: multi-file download, ISC design 14.7 full product installation, whereby they will be providing you the license in the form of either an image file or a data B file or a data A file or a data C file. Next one, ISC design suite full product installation. Here they will be providing the full file for the Windows purpose. Here they will be providing it as a full DVD single file download image of the size 7.78 GB. The actual size of the file which is going to be installed in Windows is 17 GB. They have WinRAR into a 6.18 GB file and they are provided over here. Kindly click on full installer for Windows 7 XP server. Similar to this, I have already logged in over here, so it is taking me to this web page over here. I can also sign out from here. Let me show you. So this is the any software will be requiring your sign in into their web page in order to download it. Here I will be showing how does their create account page will be looking like. So this is your create account web page. So you need to mention your first name, your last name, your person call official mail ID. Kindly make use of your official mail ID over here, which may be ending with either .org or .in extension. Select your location. I am from India, so I am selecting India. Preferred languages over here. Here then 6DD95. So this is the CAPTCHA code. So this is your Xilinx account creation web page. Here you have to create a personal account for downloading all of the software products associated with Xilinx. First name, last name, your corporate mail ID. Generally they are mentioned over here. Don't mention your personal mail ID. For example, if you are having a gmail.com or yahoo.com, like this if you are having, don't mention it over here. Mentioning it is not a problem or a wrong thing, but you'll be having only a limited amount of support provided by the Xilinx people. So generally, it is better to use your official mail ID. Official mail ID for students will be your college mail ID, as well as for the staffs, faculty, professor, whoever want to make use of this Xilinx products. Kindly mention their official mail ID in order to make use of the fullest support of the Xilinx people. Then if you click on submit, so here it is mentioning invalid captcha. So kindly mention it over here. So once you fill all the necessary information over here, it will be again navigating to the next page over here. This is called activate account. Here they will be sending the access token over here. The access token will be like this. This is your access token that will be provided from the Xilinx people. The validity of this access token is only 1 day. You have to copy and paste the access token in order to create a password. So once you have filled in the necessary details, it will be navigating to the next page, wherein the Xilinx will be receiving a mail from the Xilinx stating that this is the access token. You have to cut, copy and paste it over access token over here, and you have to provide a password over here. While mentioning the password, you must follow these 2 steps carefully. It must contain 8 characters. Maximum 72 characters. It must contain 1 uppercase character, 1 lowercase character, 1 number, and 1 special character. So special characters can be either semicolon, colon, hyphen, exclamatory mark, at, hash, dollar sign, percentage sign, ampersand sign, caret sign, asterisk, whatever may be. You cannot mention any form of parenthesis, flower braces, square braces, or curly braces over here. You can mention any one of these special characters over here. Once you confirm your password, your account gets activated. So in my case, since I already have an account, I am going to log in over here. You will be receiving an activation mail to you in order to confirm that your account is getting activated. So I am going to access with my mail ID over here. So once you log in, it will be taking you to the page over here. So just listen over here. I just went over to that page in order to show how the process will be going place. Here you need to go to Xilinx ISC web pair. If you're already signed in, it will be directly going to the download page with all the necessary information that has been given by you, updated in the required fields. Yeah. So all these informations have been already given by you in the registration page, as well as in the registration page whereby you mentioned your first name, last name, your mail ID, and your company name, address. Everything will be taken from those pages. And when you click on download, the software will be starting to download with a notification coming over here. The Xilinx ISC Win 14.7 1015.1.tar file. So it will be totally taking, depending upon your net speed, it will be taking certain minutes over here. You have to wait till the download is over. So as the download is progressing, you can view the blue color. So now we will be the Xilinx So the Xilinx ISC file will be over here. We'll be having Xilinx ISC setup file. You have to click on this. As you unwrap the file, it will be coming it as Xilinx underscore ISC underscore DS underscore Windows 14.7 underscore 1015 underscore 1. Go into this folder. Kindly click on xsetup.exe. You'll be getting run as, right click it and select run as administrator. It will be asking, do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Kindly click on yes. So this is your Xilinx ISC installer window. It will be coming with a welcome message. Kindly click on next. Here it will be having 2 pages of end user license agreement. You have to accept it. First page will be having 2 acceptance checkboxes. Kindly click on those. Click on next. The second page will be having 1 acceptance checkbox. Select that also. Click on next. Here select the products to install. Select ISC Webpack. Click on next. Here also click on the checkbox. This will be automatically checked in the existing versions of Intel processors because everything are equipped with multiple CPU cores. Click on next. Here it will be asking the folder where you need to install. Kindly click on leave it as it is. In case of C drive, it is best. If you want, similarly, you can choose the name that you want to come in the start menu, Xilinx Design Tools. Here, since I have already installed over here, in order to show the initial stages of the installation process, I want to just select F drive in this case. So 17 GB is the required space for installing this software. And in my F drive, I am having nearly about 508 GB. Now click on next. Okay, Xilinx Design Tools 1. Click on next. It will be showing with the option summary over here. Kindly click on install means. This is the installation process. It will be starting to extract over here. So, listen over here. As soon as the installation process is nearing 90%, you will be getting a message with your dialog box. Win PCAP 4.1.1 setup window will be opening. You have to click on next. Only if this is present, you can transport a Verilog code from a Xilinx folder into a FPGA board or a CPLD board. Click on next. This is a simple process, just a 2 minutes process over here. Click on next. You have to agree with the license agreement over here. Click on I agree. And automatically start the WinCap driver at boot time, nothing problem. Click on install. That's all with the installation. You can proceed with the remaining 8% or remaining 10% of the. Similarly, this will be cable driver also will be installed over here. While a cable driver is installed, no connections must be present between the PC and the FPGA board or the PC and the CPLD board. So kindly ensure it. For that insurance only, it is asking cable driver installer window is coming that no platform cable USB or evaluation platform JTAG cable are connected with the FPGA board or with the CPLD board. Kindly click on OK. There is no connections between this now. Click on OK. That means with the FPGA board and the PC connected together, you cannot install this Xilinx ISC. You have to first disconnect all the forms between the PC and the FPGA board. Then only you have to install. After installing only, you have to connect it over here. So the environment variables are returned to the settings. So now what you have to do means like this Xilinx license configuration manager will be coming. Kindly click on close and kindly click on finish. Now what you have to do means you have to go to the now you have to click on the Xilinx ISC design suite logo that has been created over here. As soon as you double click it, the program will be taking some 2 minutes for loading. So now before going into this, there is a small step that has to be performed from your side. Now close this folder over here. Now what you have to do means you have to go to the drive where the Xilinx has been set up over here. There will be two folders. One is .xilinx, another one is Xilinx. Kindly click on Xilinx over here. The Xilinx is installed in C drive. Now click on 14.7. Click on ISC_DS. Now go to ISC and select a folder that is called as lib, L-I-B over here. Then within this there will be two folders. One is NT, another one is NT64. Kindly select this NT64 over here. Click on lib portability. If you scroll down, you'll be finding that DLL file, dynamic linked library, lib portability. Lib portability is the name of the DLL file. Yeah, here it is. So lib portability nosh.dl. So now what you do, now you need to create one file called as lib portability.dll.org file. So three files are very important as far as this Xilinx ISC in order to upload the license file. Only if you perform this operation, you can load a license into the Xilinx and the Xilinx ISC design suite will be working properly. Otherwise, it will not at all allow you to upload the license into the Xilinx license manager. So what you do, just right click this, create a copy of this, click on create copy of this and click on paste over here. A copy of this will be coming over here. So now what you do, kindly rename this file. Kindly rename the file into .dll.org and press enter. So it will be changed from DLL application extension to .org file. Now change this name to lib portability.dll. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to copy these two files over here. You have to copy this file over here, lib portability nosh.dll. Now go back. Now come out of that ISC folder. Now go into the folder called as common. Here there will be another folder called as LIB. Select it. Another within this there will be another folder called as NT64. Kindly select that also. Here what you do means click on paste. Here you will be having lib portability nosh.dll. Before this file will not be over here. Only perform this primitive set of operations will you be eligible to upload the license into the license manager, and your product also will get activated without any problem. Otherwise you'll be again facing a problem. Now what you do over here means just to change the name of this lib portability.dll file into .org and change this name to lib portability.dll. Okay, now these two files have been come over here. Now what you have to do means, now close this, click into the Xilinx ISC design suite icon that is present in the desktop. Icon will be created over here. Now as soon as you click on OK, what you do means, go to help and click on obtain a license key. Now here over here, you have to click on get free Vivado ISC Webpack license. Now what you have to do, once you have opened the Xilinx ISC project navigator over here, you have to click on help and obtain a license key. This is the option, you have to select it. Click on it. Once you click on it, the Xilinx license configuration manager dialog box will be appearing before you. In this, there will be several options. Kindly click on Get Free Vivado ISC Webpack License and click on Next. Here it will be asking you to, again, this will be redirecting to a Xilinx page where you may need to make a request in order to obtain the license file. Click on Connect Now. So as soon as you click on Connect Now over here, what it will be doing means you will be getting a notification like this. You have to fill in the necessary form like this. Again, the same form will be appearing over here. If you click on next means instead of download, you'll be getting the similar page like this for license also. Once you have to log in, you have to again log in. If you have already logged in, it will be going into this page. Again, you have to log in. All these details will be filled. Instead of download, it will be clicking on asking you download. So what? Click on next. So as soon as you click on next, you will be receiving a notification from the Xilinx people stating that a license file has been sent to your mail ID. So the license file will be xilings.lic. Kindly download it. Once you have downloaded it, what you have to do means you have to go click on load license. As soon as you click the load license, it will be asking from where should I take it. Right? As soon as you click on download the license, it will be in downloads folder. Kindly click on and click on open over here. It will get automatically updated. Here, since I have already done the file, it is showing do you wish to overwrite. Kindly click on yes. The license installation is successful. It's okay. Now what you can do is you can go and open the software. It will not be having any form of license problem. So now what you'll be doing means just to close this file, going to license ISC design suite, double click it. So this is the thing. Click on OK. You have to go for file, new project. The project creation dialog box will be appearing before you. It will be asking you, initially it will be showing a default location. You can change the name of the location as well as you can change the working directory. Whatever location you are giving it over here, that will be reflected in the working directory also. See over here. So the how to use this file and how to develop the Verilog programs, VHDL programs using the Xilinx ISC project navigator window, we will be seeing it in the next class. Thank you for today's session. And with this, I'm completing the tools for processor design part 2 video. Thank you.